Seabreeze Plaza. It is 3111 Ocean Parkway. Very elegant, beautiful inside and outside, with a curved balcony, with a free parking, with the infinity pool. It is really very attractive for your consideration condominium.
This luxury building offers everything you need: a swimming pool, fitness center, parking, and an unbeatable beachfront location. And today on the market, beautiful studio apartment with ocean and pool views. You will enjoy east-facing balcony with perfect sunrise and your morning coffee. Don't miss this opportunity. Call today to schedule your private tour.